Look at these juicy twists. Your favorite YouTuber can never, honestly, no. Because I know I'm your favorite YouTuber, so. That makes my butt clench. I don't like that. I don't like it. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So as you guys know, it is definitely HAIRtober, and we are about to do my hair. So you already know the drill. Let's get into it. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you are not new, returning, non-returning, I don't know, whatever. If you are watching this video at this moment, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and also make sure you comment. But yeah, let's get into it. Picking a hairstyle for the day, because I know these braids not cutting it. Okay, so HAIRtober. Let's see what we want to do today. I want to do something cute, but something simple. I always want to do something simple. Y'all probably gonna get, ooh. Okay, I'm definitely feeling a hair down bun to the back. So that will still be an option. I mean, that would definitely be an option. But yeah, I'm always trying to do something simple. I'm gonna save the cuter stuff for late, like not, well, let me not say cuter. Everything that I do on the channel is cute. I just like that. But no, I'm for real. I mean, you gotta be your biggest fan, you know? But I'm trying to save the more complex hairstyles for later, so if you stay tuned, you will get those styles. So if you like the styles that you're seeing right now, definitely comment if you have one that you see that you want me to try, like right now, and I'll try to get to it. But yeah, oh, these are some good styles. Okay, yeah, we're just gonna go with our first choice. Boom, screenshot, and let's get into it. I should have took these braids out off camera. I don't be thinking. But yeah, so my hair is definitely freshly washed. I put them in the braids because I didn't want to make any content without recording, and I wasn't in a position to record right after I washed. So I mean, I guess you could say that I prepared my hair for this video, so that's pretty dope. Look at me being a preparer. But okay, so let's get this started. I'm about to zoom through it, and then yeah. Okay, I lied, I'm not speeding it up. I want to talk. Y'all know I love y'all, bro. Like, y'all know I love making content when it comes to you guys, because I definitely love watching stuff when I do my hair, and that is definitely not what's happening right now. So yeah, I was watching Modern Family. I've never, okay, so when Modern Family came out, I don't know when it came out, I really don't, but when it came out, like, I could not get into it. Like, I just couldn't get into it. But then I needed something to binge watch. I'm a binge watch queen, and I like stuff with seasons. Like, I'm not the type of person that's like, come back next week and see what's gonna happen. Like that makes my butt clench. I don't like that. I don't like it. So I'm definitely one of those, like, oh, the show got canceled, we just gonna watch it from like beginning to end type person. So I'm watching it, and like, I love it. I'm on season, what season am I on? Look at me, multitasking. I'm on season 7, episode 2, the day Alex left for college. So if you know Modern Family, like, that's what I'm on right now, and like, I really love it. I love it. I can't even lie to y'all, I really do love it. But okay, so we are done. So first and foremost, what I'm going to do is part my hair. How much do I want? Oh, I gotta go back. Okay. A little bit. Okay, a little lot bit. So I say this is perfect, because it looked like, yeah. Okay, this looks like a lot. I mean, not a lot. This looks like a good amount. Or should I do more? Nah, because it's going over it. Yeah. I don't know why, but it's easier for me to part my hair in sections when I'm doing this half thing, because I really can't see if it's not in 2 sections. They're not even, of course. My middle part is not even. I kind of just winged it a little bit. But hey. Okay. I probably went a little too low back here. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. Or did I? Y'all put in the comments and let me know. Like, are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? I don't know. The good thing about this hairstyle, it doesn't have to be completely like completely parted nicely, because remember, this hair is going behind. I got hair. I got hair for sale. This hair is definitely going behind, so yeah. But what I'm about to do now is re-moisturize my hair. I'm gonna take each section, of course, but I'm gonna start with the back first, so it can just be, you know, sitting and marinating while I prepare the front. So that's what we're doing. Y'all like, if y'all haven't tuned in this whole time, you're probably like, dang, all this girl do is prep her hair, moisturize, prep her hair, moisturize, prep her hair, moisturize. And you're right, that is all I do, because why would you not, you know? Okay, so the thing is, it's like I want my hair to be stretched, but I want it to be stretched, I do, but I don't know, like my actual curls give me joy, like to see how healthy I made them since my big chop. So even with it stretched, it's like you don't really get the full effect of the curls, but I do want that length for this particular hairstyle, so that's what we're doing. So let me wet both sides. So definitely gotta wet both sides so I'm not messing with the product, because I love to put a big glob of product on my hand and I'm only messing with one little section, and that's not smart. Okay. Ooh. Okay, it's down. I feel it. Ooh, okay. Okay. I'm gonna put this down. And I'm probably gonna twist it, not even gonna lie to y'all. So I feel like twisting it in big sections still keeps your curls intact, but it just kind of gives it that little stretch that we need. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'm about to go in and just get it started. But how are you guys liking HAIRtober so far? This is probably only like day like what 4, but I mean, you know, I need to know, like, if I need to switch some stuff up, let me know. If I need to add some stuff, let me know. If you guys want to see something else pertaining to hair, because I already dedicated it to hair, but if you guys want to see something else, let me know, because I want to make sure this month is as enjoyable for me as it is for you. Mainly y'all though, because I care about you guys. I really do. Like, I really am thankful for the constant support that you guys give me. And yeah, like, it doesn't go unnoticed. You guys make me smile with the comments, with the likes, with the views. You guys make me smile every time I tune in. And honestly, YouTube gives me a purpose. I know that might be crazy or whatever, but YouTube is the only thing that I've actually stayed consistent with for this long that I haven't got bored of. Y'all, I'm a Gemini. Look, y'all gonna be like, there females go. I always bring in zodiac signs in it, but whatever, I can do that. But yeah, I'm a Gemini and I get bored easily, okay? I definitely get bored easily. And with that being said, I lose passion in a lot of things that I'm good at. So YouTube really does bring that passion back, and I'm just so thankful for that. I'm just beyond thankful for that. So yeah, just let me know what you guys, tell me what you want from. I think I'm singing it. I think I'm singing that song wrong. Okay. I'm gonna give all my secrets away this time. Don't need to know the perfect line. I love the fact that I put so much product on my hair that I have leftover product going into my hair when I'm like trying to detangle it and put water on it. So that's pretty dope. Like, I just got product for days. Yeah, I am not stingy with the products at all. Y'all are definitely gonna see that. Look at me, y'all. Country bumpkin. don't even know what I am, y'all. I guess. Because I'm definitely not Atlanta. But I've been here long enough. Like, right? I've been here long enough. So let me give you guys a little rundown. So I was born in Germany, HAIRtober, Germany. I moved to Colorado when I was, I want to say 2. And then, whoa, them curls. Then moved to Georgia when I was 4. And yeah, I've been here since I was 4. And I'm what? How old? I'm... Dang, you don't know how old you are? Oh no, I'm 25, y'all. Dang. Oh wow. Oh wow. I used to pray for times like this, to run like this, so I had to grind like that, to shine like this, and no matter. I'm just like, no. But no, y'all, I'm literally 25. Like, wow, I'm 25. 25 on y'all. How y'all feel about that? But okay, I am almost done because this last section is definitely gonna be the last section. So, but look at these juicy twists. Your favorite YouTuber can never, honestly, no, because I know I'm your favorite YouTuber. So you see how I'm like manifesting a lot of stuff, y'all. Like, it's not even like no cocky nothing. It's literally me manifesting. Okay, it's me speaking highly about myself and what I aspire to be. I aspire to be your favorite YouTuber if I'm not yet. I aspire to be the best of the best. So yeah, I'm just happy. I'm just really happy. Okay, this section was actually the easiest. And okay, I'm gonna give you guys that key too. So actually, it's not even a key because this part's gonna be over it. But in the future, if you're ever doing a half up, half down, and you do section your hair to like put product and stuff in it, make sure that last top part is definitely not split in like half or whatever the case may be. Make sure it is just like down the middle, covering everything, because you know nobody wants a big part in the middle of their head when you looking at their hair like, oh, their hair is cute, and then boom, big part, and it's like, did you mean to make that look like that? No, I definitely did not. And don't call it out either if you guys see that I did it. Okay, so my last twist. Last twist. Okay. So this is done. And now I'm about to moisturize and detangle this, and then we'll be back. So I am back. My hair is moisturized. I don't know why I did that. But okay. So now we're about to try to do these dramatic baby hairs. So let's get into it. I definitely want them to be really dramatic, even though I don't really know how to do that. But I want them to be really dramatic because it's just going straight back. And like, because my hair is not as long as it could be, it's like I need as much hair in the front as possible, because it might be a while until you see it from the back. So yeah. So we are about to do it. Like, I hope she's not about, y'all, my cat literally picks right when I'm about to record to try to walk out. She opened the door. Wow. Okay, so let's get it started. Okay, so I'm pretty content with my edges. I feel like they're, oh my gosh, right when I say that. Okay, but I feel like they're cute. So now I'm about to go in with my Eco Styler and just slick, especially by the edges, slick it back, because it needs to be slick as slick. Slick it back, slick it back, slick it back, because we're going back, not up, girl. We're going back, not up. Using my brush. Using my brush, my black girl brush. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. I did a whole head in between doing this. So, yeah. Whew. That shows y'all how much work this really does take, y'all. Like, it's not just a simple, okay, do your hair. It takes a lot, y'all. It takes a lot of editing. It takes a lot of, woo, it just takes a lot. Okay, so we're going to bun this because it was definitely bunned in hers. Okay, and then I'm gonna put some water on these. Not too much water, but just enough. Ooh. This is probably my favorite style yet. Okay, and now about to take out these braids. I mean these twists, and we'll be back. I'm trying to. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is cute. Let me get my hair elixir from the oil bar and my scent. My scent. Ooh, my scent. I'm gonna give y'all my scent one day. If y'all ever been to the oil bar, y'all know this crap be doing the thing. But okay. Let me put a little rubber band on my bunny bun. Cause it's acting like it wants to be a part of everything else and it's not going to be. And we are done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and yeah. I think this is my favorite style so far. What has been your favorite style so far? I mean, I only know we're like in like, what? We're on like day 4 or 5, maybe 6, I don't know. But whenever you see this, tell me what style you like best so far. But yeah, okay. Thank you guys for watching. I can't stop. My mirror is right here, so I keep looking down. But yeah, I'm cheesing. Okay, bye.